Just a final follow-up before I pack this. So this is the aluminum cone. Like I said, they're a pain in the butt. This one has the gasket molded into it. So the user is going to put soak the spider lower with the CA. I have the clamp on there that I added just because I like it. It helps make sure it's a good solid connection to the spider landing. So epoxy on the bottom, epoxy on the top of the spider, and then at the cone base. So all I got to do is add CA, clamp it, and make sure it's shimmed, and it's good to go. And then, like I said, you pull the shims out of the butthole. So Teflon shims are pretty expensive, so they're gonna have to figure out their own type of shim. Because also I don't have these. I don't know. Maybe I can cut some strips or something like that. Maybe I can do something like that. But I'll include some CA. What else? Oh, some better terminals too, because typically terminals can't handle this much. What do you call it? Tinsel. So we use the 8-gauge ones from that were popularized by Phi. I first saw them on theirs. We get ours a little bit longer. We do a triple hole, and then what we do is we cut that little binder in between, and so then it goes right in. So that's it. So there's the base. It's just a TC7, but I'm assuming that Tilo made all his poles the same diameter. So just going on basically that. This is an old Eclipse motor. So that's it. Love you guys. I'll do little videos throughout the day.